The Himotor 4000PSI electric pressure washer is equipped with a high-quality 1800-watt motor, delivering powerful cleaning performance with a pressure of 4,000 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 2.8 gallons per minute. This pressure washer comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, a turbo nozzle, a foam cannon, and various accessories, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks, including cars, decks, and patios. Featuring a 26-foot pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, this washer offers extended reach and mobility, allowing you to clean various locations without hassle. The auto-stop feature of the Himotor pressure washer conserves water and energy by shutting down the machine when the trigger is released, making it an environmentally friendly option. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, this pressure washer ensures safe operation even in wet conditions, preventing electrical hazards and ensuring reliable performance. Himotor provides excellent customer support, offering a 2-year limited service warranty, 30-day risk-free returns, and professional assistance to ensure user satisfaction.